Hi singers! So a few weeks ago I made a video with easy songs to sing for females, and Jan Rasmussen has requested that I make one for the guys. So that's what you're going to get today. It is 5 easy songs to sing for guys coming up. So we all have that one super hard song that we hope to master one day, but what are some easy songs that you can start mastering now so that you have some songs in your bag that you sound good with and that you're proud of? I tried to make a list with something that's a little newer and something that's a little bit older so that there's something for everyone watching this video. Links to the lyric videos of each song is in the description below. So let's just get started. Going towards the easiest song, here's song number 5. Lovely Day with lead singer Bill Withers. The vocal range is B2 to E4, which spans over 18 semitones or an octave and a perfect fourth. It's from the year 1977, so the first song on this list is an oldie but a goodie. Don't worry, there's newer songs later in this list. Lovely Day is a feel-good song, and the main melody is comfortably below where most men switch to their head voice. Now in the last chorus, Bill switches his top note to E4 instead of B3. So this is a great point where you can challenge yourself a little bit. It's not too high still. But the good thing here is that you can choose to just stay at B3. That's totally cool too, and it makes it a very good beginner song. Song number 4. Breakfast at Tiffany's by Deep Blue Something with lead singer Todd Pipes. The vocal range of this song is B2 to D4, spanning over 16 semitones, aka an octave and a minor third. It's a 90s song from the year 1995. Many of my students already know of this song or know this song when they come in, which makes it easy to get started with. The bridge of Breakfast at Tiffany's also keeps very nicely within the confines of the male chest voice. So the start note here in the bridge can be a little bit tricky if you struggle with pitch, so just listen to it a few times to make sure you really got it before you sing along with it. Overall, still a great beginner song. Song number 3, Let Her Go by Passenger with lead singer Michael David Rosenberg. The vocal range of this song is D3 to E4, which makes it span 15 semitones or an octave and a major second. It is a catchy song from 2012, so it's a bit newer than the first 2 mentioned so far. It is not as low as some of the other song suggestions, so if you find yourself to have a brighter quality to your voice, but you still want something easy to sing, this is a great song choice for you. Several of my beginner students have enjoyed singing Let Her Go because it is just such a heartfelt song. I really love this song as well. When you feel a connection with the song, you just naturally sound even better when you sing it, and you make inflections in your voice that sound great. So it just comes to show that you don't always have to have crazy riffs and runs for a song to be good. Definitely a good choice for a beginner song. Song number 2, Love Yourself, written by Ed Sheeran and Justin Bieber and sung by Justin himself. The vocal range here is a B2 to B3, which makes it span over 13 semitones or an octave. It's from 2015 and a great song choice if you want to sing some pop, but you're looking for a song that stays comfortably in chest voice from beginning to end. This song is one of those songs where Justin also recorded himself singing an octave above where he normally sings, and then he added it to the background as a background effect. So when you sing along, make sure that you don't sing this high head voice vocal, but that you stick to his lead vocal. It's such a smooth beginner song, and I actually made a short cover with one of my students, Mario, where we harmonize on this a cappella. If you want to check it out, it's right here. And now we have made it to the easiest song on the 5 easy songs to sing for guys list, and it is Chasing Cars by Snow Patrol with lead singer Gary Lightbody. The vocal range of this song is E3 to D4, which is 11 semitones and measures just a minor 7 in total. Now that is a short vocal range for a song and a great beginner song. Chasing Cars is from 2006, and this is the best beginner song because of the small vocal range, as I said, and the fact that the highest song note is D4, which for many male singers is still below where they switch to head voice. If you're a natural bass, if you have a very low voice, I recommend that maybe you start actually with song number 2 on the list, Love Yourself by Justin Bieber, but a lot of my beginner students have had great success with this song. It has just such a small vocal range. There's so many repeat notes, especially in the chorus where he sings same note. If I just lay here Definitely the first song on the list because of the short vocal range, repeat notes, very simple melody, and it's still within your chest voice. So that was the easiest song to sing on the list. So there you have it. Those were the 5 easy songs to sing for male singers. If you have any great songs that you like singing and that you feel are pretty easy for your voice, please add them in the comments below so that we can all share it together. And if you haven't done it yet, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. As I said to the female singers, I really love making these videos and I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers to make my channel sustainable. So I really thank you for your support. And I will see you next week as we continue to geek out on your voice to create the sound that you want.